The stabilization phase is the final phase of Simeon's HCG weight loss protocol. This phase is not restricted to mere 21 protocol days, but can be stretched as long as you wish. As you approach your goal weight, we strongly recommend a transition from the very low-calorie diet to a controlled diet with moderate calorie restrictions, but completely avoid sugar and starch to keep the weight stable. This would result in a daily calorie intake of around 800 calories for women and 1,000 for men.